Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Lots of content this week. There are 8 things to cover. I'm going to try and maybe spend 30 seconds on each. Let me share my screen. You'll find links in the description. If you need to access any of the content, there's a free 3-day trial for AccordionLove.com. You can cancel at any time. Let me share my screen. A student had a question about Talijanska. The student had a smaller accordion without an A flat. I made a video explaining how to transpose Talijanska up a key. So instead of D, we play an E. And I show another method where you could play the A flat in the contrabass row of the accordion. That's really exciting. Another lesson, someone had a question from my live stream last week about upbeats and downbeats. I made a video explaining how to improve your rhythm using a metronome. Really cool. When someone else keeps the rhythm, it allows you to omit some notes because they're keeping the downbeat. Have a look at that video. Port of Amsterdam, John had a question here. John was having a hard time coordinating both hands together on Port of Amsterdam. I recorded a quick video for John that I hope, John, you don't mind me sharing about how to coordinate hands, how to slow down a song so that the left and right hand can coordinate. Really cool. Again, that's on the Port of Amsterdam, the French section of Accordion Love. The February challenge, the classic blues ending. We're starting to see entries. Thank you to everyone who's submitting entries. If you're not aware of the monthly challenge, I'll leave a link in the description. It's a chance for you to participate with other learners and see other people's progress as well as your own. Another learner had a question about the Klezmer scale that I use. The Klezmer scale on Wikipedia, it's the Phrygian dominant scale. I have a lesson called Have an Agila Improv, the accordion lesson. How do we go from just knowing a scale to improvising over it? That's what that lesson is about. It's an old lesson, but a really good one. Some other things, my friends John and Emmeline, this is my old bandmate, they started a Kickstarter. They do really beautiful French dance music, French like folk dancing music. And so they've started a Patreon where they provide accompaniment tracks and sheet music. Check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. You could choose to support them or not, but they make really beautiful music and you get to participate with them online. Really cool. Last but not least, Barry Harris, a jazz legend, has a really cool quick 2-minute video about the importance of knowing changes in a song. This video is called Chopin Changes. It's important not just to know the notes of the song, but to understand the line chord and underlying chord changes so that you can improvise over it, so you can really know the song. That's the message that I got from the video. I'll leave the link in the description. Last but not least, there's a live stream this Sunday, like we do every Sunday at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. London time. I'll share a link in the description. I hope to see you there, whether you're an existing member or new to the accordion too. All of these things are available for you. You can sign up for a free 3-day trial to Accordion Love. See if you like my teaching style. You can cancel at any time. I hope to see you over there. Bye-bye.